I am carrot. I make your eyes strong. I help you see better in the dark. Eat me. I am tomato. I keep your heart strong. I help your blood stay clean. Eat me every day.
Hey there! Welcome to this amazing blood vessel. See all the red cells? They're delivering oxygen, and the white ones fight germs.
I am cabbage. I heal your stomach.
I am okra. I keep your stomach smooth. I help digestion. I am garlic. I help fight bacteria and viruses, keeping you healthy.